pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much. Guys, I just want to let you all know out there that you should be living your best life, and if you're not, maybe rethink on who's in it. Okay guys, so today I have the Red Velvet Cupcake palette from Glamlite that just came out, and I'm going to be doing some swatches on the eye, and then I'm going to be doing an eye look. So I hope that this is something that you will stay and figure out if you enjoy it or not, and if you do, hit that thumbs up. Alright guys, let's do this. So we're going to do some swatches on the eye first, and then we'll get into an eye look. Okay, so we are taking our first look at the new Glamlite, it says Cupcake palette. It is the Red Velvet, I believe. Here it is here in the packaging. I just got it today. I like ordering from them, and I like that it comes with a clear plastic over the palettes that I've already taken off. But I like ordering from them. Their stuff is pretty, oh how cute. It's pretty affordable. This was a $25 palette, and the only problem is the shipping is like, it seems like it takes forever. That is super cute, and look at this. Like, I was like, oh, the palette's big. Yeah, it's not. It's inside it. Okay, nutrition facts. It says on the back. How funny is that? So if you got this palette, it's got little sparkles and everything. You got it probably for the reds. And look at it. It's not really red though. There's one reddish color in here named Red Velvet. That right there. They've got decadent, baked goodies, sweet cravings. Okay, so this is pretty neat. It's a 12 shadow palette. Look at that red. That reminds me of the red in Bloodlust from Jeffree Star. Yeah, it reminds me of that red. Okay, so we're going to do an eye look with this palette today. I'm obviously going to incorporate the red in there. If I can get this off of my hand. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be stained and I have to go out later. Good job, Karen. Let's get some eye primer on, shall we? We'll go with MAC Paint Pot today. Buttery is a pretty looking color. But I have a feeling you guys are going to want to see the red. And I know Chrissy from Chrissy's channel will like the red. That's her favorite color. Hi, Chrissy. Okay. Super Moist is a pretty color too. I like that there is mattes and shimmers. Lately I've been seeing palettes that either have all shimmers or all mattes. And it's like, come on, give us a variety here. Alright. Let me grab a brush and we will go in with Buttery first. Let's try this. Ooh, it's pretty. Seems like it's blending okay. You know how I am with my reviews. I don't leave a stone unturned. No. Not. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so far so good. This is a pretty color. It's definitely more pinky on the eye. They even have a color in here called Cream Cheese. How sweet. That's sweet. Alright, so let's see. What do I want to do? I'm thinking like, alright, let's grab, I'm going to grab an Anastasia brush and we're going to put it into Red Velvet. Definitely some kick up here. But, oh, look at how pretty. goodness. This brush is falling apart. I need to get rid of some brushes. Look at that. It's definitely very pigmented.
Oh, are you kidding me?
You hear Jackson in the background laugh. He's yelling at his iPad. So I like that. I really do. I think that that's really pretty. I'm thinking maybe like a halo type of eye today. I don't know though. We're gonna have to see. Let's see. And it's not really picking anything up on my brush. Let's see. It feels very buttery. Definitely works better applying it with your finger. These colors are really bright. I'm thinking that a tan would be beneficial right now. Okay, so what do we want to put right here? Baked goodies, kisses. Let's try kisses. Yeah, that's pretty. Definitely. It's different. Very different. So then they've got some purples in here. Confection. Ooh, that's nice. I like that too. Then we've got Super Moist, which is a darker purplish matte. You hear cake. Ooh, cake mix. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Decadent. Let's see. Yes. Oh my gosh. Where do I want to put this? Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Crazy. That's awesome. Oh my god, it stained my fingers though, like really bad. Okay, let's see how it blends. Let's just see. It's blending beautifully.
I'm still not going to waste them on the bullets.
I'm liking. Super pretty. So these colors, I've used quite a few of them now. It looks like you could get quite a few different looks. So I'm enjoying that. Sweet Cravings is another one. Cupcake Heaven. Ooh, let's just take a little bit of Cupcake Heaven. And put it right here. Ooh. Pretty color. Obviously, I'm not really going for a specific eye look. I'm just trying the colors on my eyes. I definitely think that's super pretty though. Should we get serious and do an eye look now? We tried most of the colors. Let's get serious and do an eye look. So I took my eye swatches off and now I'm going to go in and use the purplish colors in this palette. I re-put primer on my eyes. I can't really use too many neutrals right now because it's washing me out because I'm not tan. So I'm going to go in with Cupcake Heaven and mix that with Confection. And we're going to put that right here in my crease. And then we're going to build from there. I'm just placing down the color go back and I can blend with this brush. This is a blending brush. It's a Jaclyn x Morphe. And again, I still didn't do my under eye concealer because I wasn't sure if I was going to get a lot of fallout or not. Should I just go straight in and do super moist? That's an interesting name, but of course it's about a cupcake. So let's do that. Let's make this a little bit darker, because then we're going to add a nice pop of color. Well, not a nice shimmer pop of color. This is definitely colorful. Alright, blend, baby, blend. Super pretty. I like it. Okay, so I'm not finished, obviously, but I want to take this Decadent color. I don't know if I want to use my finger or not. We'll see. I'm going to go in with this Bare Minerals brush, and we're going to put it into Decadent. And we're going to put that down here. It's like really super pretty. And if you want, you could totally do a cut crease right now and add that color, because it would come out so much brighter if you did. And maybe I'll do that. You think we should do a cut crease? Let's actually use this brush. It'll stick better the color with the primer on it. And we're going to pop that right here and build it up nicely. Ooh. Don't forget to tap. Look, that's beautiful. Ooh. And look how much bigger my lid looks. Gets me every time. Kind of in the mood for cupcakes now. Red velvet with cream cheese. Okay, I think it's time for some liner. Let's do some liner and some under eye concealer, and then we'll get back to blending and figuring out how we're going to finish up our eye. Okay, so I am going to take this brush here. It's a Nikita x Morphe brush. It's a little angled brush, and I'm going to dip it into cream cheese before I dip it into a darker color and do my lower lash line. And we're going to put cream cheese right here. I like that. It's pretty. Some of these colors have super pigment, and some of them, you know, are just nice light shimmers. I suppose, you know what, I want to do something else for the inner corner eye, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to grab my setting spray. Now I'm going to go into Confection. I think that's what that says. And Super Moist. And we're going to put that and stamp it down here. And then I am going to blend it out. I actually think what I want to do is grab my big crayon, that Rockin' Cosmetics, and I want to put that over this Tarte black liner I put, because this is more creamy, and I want to mix this with the shadow underneath to create a really nice smoky effect. Now I think what I want to do, this palette is not bad. If you're into these colors, you'd like it. And it pretty much, I mean, it's affordable. It's $25. That's not too bad. And their eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. So, all right. I think what I want to do, though, is I want to grab my favorite highlight, which is Jaclyn Hill's Beaming Extra. Yes, it is amazing. Love it. I'm going to go in with an angled brush. This is a Morphe one. It doesn't have a number. And put some of this on there. And we're going to put this for an inner corner. And we're going to put it on the whole inner corner and then sweep it up and sweep it over. And we're going to blend it. We're not finished. Okay. Look at that. That's insane. I'm loving it. Alright, so basically I've got to grab a brush like this one. This is the LaRouche, and we're just going to kind of blend this over. Love it. It's gorgeous. Kayla's banging her cup on her chair. That's what that noise is. She's so funny. Now we're ready for some mascara, lashes, and to do the rest of the face. Yes. Okay, let me get some things done and then I'll be back to talk more about this palette. So I went for that pink moment. I went in with this Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Ryland. And I figured, why not? I'm actually not going to go out like this later today. I'm going to change my look a bit. So I thought I won't put on a lash. I'll just put on an extra coat of mascara and leave it at that. So this is my finished look with the Glamlite Red Velvet Cupcake palette. I do think it's a really nice palette. I think it's got a mirror, you know, it's nothing extravagant, but it was a $25 palette. The pigment is definitely there. I have to say I used pretty much every single color except for this one in the corner here. You've got neutrals, pinks, a little bit of that pop of red in there, plus lots of shimmers to choose from. So I would say go for it. If these are the colors that you like, absolutely. Not a bad palette for $25. I am glad I got it, and I'm sure I'll probably use it at some point in the future. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for all the nice comments. I love reading them every single morning. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you take a chance on this channel and join the Gem Squad family. And I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!